What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm not using as many artist off colors. Most of these are goldens. So this is a titanium white, this is a golden teal and magenta. And then the gold color is DecoArt 24 karat gold. And then this is just a fluorescent orange from Liquitex that I mixed 2 to 1. For the liquid, for the golden fluid acrylics, I did like 3 or a 4 to 1 just because the pigmentation is super concentrated in those. There's no oil in any of these colors, and kind of depending on my DecoArt 24 karat gold to create cells, but I think we're gonna get a ton of them. So alright, well, actually, you know what, we might not use titanium white. What I'm going for is I'm trying to almost recreate a piece of art that I have in the hallway. And it is these colors specifically, so there is no titanium white in that one. So I'm just gonna do nice little layers. I will eventually let them plunge and churn through each other, but not quite yet. So how's everybody doing today? Hope you guys are having a great day. Holidays are over. My surgery went okay. Still healing. Yeah, it's not something I would recommend. It's not a very fun experience at all. But had to be done for health reasons. But there you go. All right, so I'm just doing little layers. Like I said, we're depending on that 24 karat gold to create any kind of cells, because the DecoArt kind of inherently helps create cells, which is awesome. So I am putting it in there at kind of regular intervals here. Let's see, I want orange next. And you know what, since we're right in the middle, I am gonna put a little tiny splash of white. Right there. That's it though. No more white. And I'll let it churn through that white and get it off. There you go. Let's see if we can let this. Well, the gold's not going to churn. A little bit of churning. There we go. This one does. And we already churned that color. We didn't churn this yet. Yeah, it does, just not as well. And just a little puddle. Now we'll do our nice clean puddles of color again. Man, yeah, these colors are really, really cool together. Much more interesting than I thought they would be. Let's see. I apologize, I'm clearing my throat a lot. With the healing and whatnot, there's a lot of stuff there, so I have to. I'm trying to avoid sniffing in your ears. Or are you seeing, those are either bubbles that popped, or they might be bubbles, actually. Let's see. Teal. I do want to have this cup almost completely full. That way it gets a good vapor seal between the canvas. I'm not going to do my splat like I normally do. Alright, so the rest, just, there we go. Now that cup is very full. Oof. Alright. Nice gentle flip there. I guess that's what I could use this white for. To give us kind of some coverage around. Help give something for the paint to move on. And I do have the other colors and there's no oil in any of them, so it doesn't really make too much of a difference if I use them or not, right? Can't do anything. I think we're about ready. That's really cool looking. Right there's where the colors, you can see they churned. That's awesome looking. All right, let me warm it up and try to pop these bubbles. I'll get some heat going first. Come on, pop, pop, pop. Nope, not gonna pop. Okay. Well, we'll get you to pop. Wow, yeah. Really kind of hoping more orange shows itself in the center, even if it's through cells. Let's spin it. So not too much going on yet. The bubbles have all popped, but there are a couple little cells starting to form around those areas the gold's at. Still looks really nifty. I love how it kind of, the deep, well, it looks like a violet now, but it was a magenta, kind of blending into that gold. Pop some bubbles. Maybe help that paint just a little bit. There's some coming through. They're gonna be, they look like they're gonna be kind of wonky looking cells though. Dang. I like it. I like it a lot. It's very elegant looking through here, like really cool. And I'm really excited to see what it looks like dry, because already some cells are popping up here and there. But yeah, let me get you guys down here so you can see it right now, and then we can come back when it's dry. The cells got really crazy. What's up, buddy? What, sir? I know. I love the colors together. And if I shift over what the gold kind of reflect, it's really nice looking. Now Buddy's saying, see you later. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.